Happy Independence Day to everyone. My name is Siddhi Sanket Raskar.
And my name is Pradnya.
On behalf of IGSA, Indian Graduate Student Association, I would like to invite all of you to the 68th Independence Day of India.
It was on this day in 1947 that India finally won back its freedom after more than 200 years of British rule. The struggle for India's independence began with the revolt of 1857. It was India's first war of independence. The major nationalist movements began in 1905 with the Swadeshi movement, which encouraged the Indians to ban all the British products. After this followed the non-cooperation movement, the Salt Satyagraha, and the final stage was the Quit India movement. Apart from these, there were many more movements which were going on simultaneously in the country, and all these movements together finally won us our independence, and India emerged as an independent nation. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. All over India, this day is celebrated with a lot of zeal and enthusiasm. This day is to remind ourselves that independence is precious and was achieved after a lot of sacrifices and struggles by our leaders. Independence did not come easy, and it is high time for us to realize that we should not take our independence for granted.
I would like to take this opportunity to tell something about India, and I would like to tell that India is a very diverse nation. We have very diverse culture of languages and regions and cultures. So that's why we call that we have the unity in the diversity. So we have about 325 spoken languages, and about 18 of them are official. Then we have about 8 religions in India, and we do celebrate all the festivals of all religions with equal zeal. And apart from that, India is one of the biggest democracy in the world, and we are one of the fastest growing economy in the world. And in spite of all this modernization, we haven't forgotten our roots, our traditions, and that's what I would also like to celebrate today. So let's begin today's event with the National Anthem of India. So I would like to request all of you to stand and pay your respects to the country. Play. Let's begin the events.
All right, so let's start with our events. The first event is we are going to sing some, not we, Harish, Deepika, Aishwarya, and Abhishek are going to sing a few patriotic songs.
भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है। सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है, भारत माँ की रक्षा में जीवन कुर्बान है, सख्त हमको जान से प्यारा है। सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है, भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है। सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है। देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू। देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू। देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू। देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू। मिटाने से नहीं मिटते, डराने से नहीं डरते, वतन के नाम पे वतन के नाम पे हम सर कटाने से नहीं डरते। देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू। देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू। देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू। देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू। सारे जहां से अच्छा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तां हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी, ये गुलसिता हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। हिंदुस्तां हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। पर्वत वो सबसे ऊंचा, हम साया आसमां का, सारे जहां से अच्छा। हिंदुस्तां हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। सारे जहां से अच्छा।
Tamil. So these are the mics. This one is for the camera, so use at least this one for the camera.
Hi everyone, happy Independence Day. So we are going to sing a Tamil song. Excuse me. So we are going to sing a Tamil invocation song. It's about Indian culture and Tamil value. So here we go.
Yeah, we request everyone to stand up.
Yeah, so we request everyone to stand actually. It's a
No. கொஞ்சம் கீழே இறக்கி பிடிச்சிப்போம், மைக் நடுவில் ஒரு மைக் போதும். 1 2 3 ஸ்டார்ட்.
நீராடும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்த கெழிலொழுகும் சீராரும் வதனமென திகழ்பரத கண்டமிதில் தெக்கணமும் அது சிறந்த திராவிடனர் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு திரை நுதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எக்கிசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிழமை திறம் வியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
Thank you.
Thanks. यहाँ वह सारा जहाँ देख लिया है, फिर भी तेजस कोई नहीं
wearing different kind of clothes. So that's another example of diversity. Ram, he's from south part of India. He's wearing different cultural clothes. We are wearing different type of clothes. So that's another example of it. Now we'll do some fun activities. So I'd like to invite Divya and Vaibhav for some trivia questions. And they have some good prizes for you.
Oh, it's here, it's here. हाँ ये ट्रिविया म्यूजिक तो
ये इसमें ओपन कर लेना.
Hi guys, I'm Divya and he's Vaibhav. So we have some questions for you. अच्छा. So this is how it works. We're going to play music and you're going to pass the ball to each other like neighbors or something. And then we're going to stop the music. And the person who has the ball has to stand up and be asked them a question. Yeah. Don't worry, they are not going to be difficult questions. You all know the answers.
Bhaskar Mike. Start music.
नहीं बंद कर देना.
इसका mic तो बंद.
कब बंद करना है?
भाई ने कभी नहीं बंद कर देना. देखना मत ऊपर.
देखूं मैं?
नहीं मत देखो. रुको अभी 2 मिनट. Aishwarya are not supposed to cheat.
So stand up.
Please stand up. Should I ask you? Who is the first president and vice president of India? Who was this? First vice president and the president.
Mic देखना. आवाज नहीं है.
ये नहीं चलता.
No, I asked you change the question. Vice president. First vice president.
You talk about this president? They could change the nation. So this kit is
Someone told that.
इसके बारे में
There's a choice of prizes. What do you want? Okay, you answered. What do you want?
What do you
There's
want?
a choice of point prizes. Do you like a Rubik's Square?
Cube. Sorry.
Divya? Yeah.
So, where's the ball? So, pass the ball again, please. Come on, guys. Don't throw it. Okay.
that was fun, guys. Now let's continue the event. So our next event is a skit. So this skit is about how the attitude towards independence has changed. So the skit is about how the attitude of Indian youth has changed towards the freedom after we have got the freedom. So I would like to invite Aishwarya, Deepika, and other people who have participated in the skit for the skit.
Is there a possibility to change or we can't change?
Change what?
Acrylic.
Divyank, now it's too late.
It shows the change in attitude of the youth of India towards the freedom that our ancestors held procure. It's the year 1925, a few days before the 9th of August, when the famous Kakori incident took place. Here are our freedom fighters, Chandrasekhar Azad, Ramprasad Bismil, Ashfaq Ullah Khan, and Durga Devi, discussing a plan to ignite the fire of their nation to attain freedom from the British rule.
शहीदों की मज़ारों पर लगेंगे हर वक्त मेले, वतन पर मिटने वालों का बाकी निशां होगा।
वाह अशफाक भाई वाह, काश अंग्रेज आपको सुन पाते, भाग खड़े होते।
लखनऊ जाने वाली ट्रेन जिसमें अंग्रेजों का पैसा जा रहा है, उसे हम काकोरी में लूटेंगे।
और उन पैसों से हम खरीदेंगे
हथियार। और उन पैसों से हम खरीदेंगे हथियार।
पर हमें इस बात का ध्यान रखना होगा कि किसी भी मासूम हिंदुस्तानी को चोट नहीं पहुंचने चाहिए।
पर हमें यह भी ख्याल रखना होगा कि अंग्रेजों की नींव हिल जाए।
काश जल्द ही वो दिन आए जब हम आज़ादी की सांस ले सके इस आज़ाद मुल्क में।
जय हिंद।
On the 9th of August, a train was traveling from Saharanpur to Lucknow, and when it was nearing Kakori, the chain was put to stop the train, and then a succession of events took place. The train was carrying a safe with an alleged
है लिए हथियार दुश्मन ताक में बैठा उधर, और हम तैयार हैं सीना लिए अपना इधर। खून से खेलेंगे होली गर वतन मुश्किल में है, सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है। हाथ जिनमें हो जुनू कटते नहीं तलवार से, सर जो उठ जाते हैं वो झुकते नहीं ललकार से। और भड़केगा जो शोला सा हमारे दिल में है, सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है। हम तो घर से ही थे निकले बांध के सर पे कफन, जहाँ हथेली पर लिए लो बढ़ चले हैं ये कदम। जिंदगी तो अपनी मेहमा मौत की महफिल में है, सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है। देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है। Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you to the News Hour tonight for Times Now. Today we have two most influential politicians that the modern era has seen. So without any further ado, let's call upon the first politician, Pappu Urf Rahul Gandhi. राहुल गांधी, वेलकम टू द शो। यहां मैं बोलूंगा और आप जवाब देंगे। आप मुझसे सवाल नहीं कर सकते because India wants to know the answers to my questions, not yours. Okay, let's make that very clear right now. Okay. And you'll never, ever, never, ever, ever, never ask me anything. Ever. Right. So let's get on with it. So tell me, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, you lost elections. Oh, let's not talk about it. So you lost elections. What are your plans for the future? What do you want to do for the Indian community? What do you want to do about it? How do you want to develop the change? How are you going to bring about the change?
Rahul Gandhi wants India to progress with Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi wants women empowerment with Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi wants India to be developed nation with Rahul Gandhi.
Okay, Mr. Rahul Gandhi. Let's move on to poverty, right? How are you going to remove poverty from this country? Tell the nation, how are you going to do it?
Rahul Gandhi is going to empower women of India with Rahul Gandhi.
Okay, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, the children of this country are uneducated. What are you going to do about the children? How are you going to make that around that they get educated?
Rahul Gandhi will empower the women of India.
Okay, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, one more question for you. My tea does not have enough sugar. Why is this tea not sweet? Can you tell me what is it?
Rahul Gandhi will empower the women of India and that will make your tea sweet.
Okay, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, one last question. Do you know what women empowerment is? You keep talking about it. What is women empowerment? The nation wants to know. The word that they have been so familiar with. What is women empowerment?
मम्मी से पूछ के बताऊंगा.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Rahul.
Thank you.
Let's call upon another really influential politician of this nation. They swept out the nation with their jhadus all over the country. Let's call upon Arvind Kejriwal from Aam Aadmi Party. केजरीवाल, ये मेरा टॉक शो है, आपके लिए एक चेयर दी गई है, आप उस पे क्यों नहीं बैठते?
मैं धरना कर रहा हूं।
ये न्यूज़ आर है, ये मेरा शो है। Here I ask the question, I make the rules. This is not the streets of Delhi. Please sit on the stool.
जी नहीं, मैं आपके शो में भी धरना करूंगा।
You leave me no choice, Mr. Kejriwal. अब मैं आपके लेवल पे आके ही आपसे बात करूंगा। So tell me, Mr. Kejriwal, you ruled Delhi as a chief minister for 49 days. What changes did you bring upon? The people want to know, did you actually do anything?
हमने 40 दिन में जो किया है, वो पिछली सरकारें 40 सालों में नहीं कर सकी।
खुल के बताइए, मिस्टर केजरीवाल, साफ-साफ बताइए कि आपने क्या किया है।
हमने बिजली की कीमतें कम कर दी।
वो आज उनसे भी ज्यादा कीमतों पे है। बिजली की दरें आसमान छू रही हैं।
वो छोड़िए, हमने सब लोगों को 600 लीटर पानी मुफ्त में दिया।
अरे उनके बिल आज तक दिल्ली की आम जनता भर रही है जो आपने फ्री में दिया था।
हम जनलोकपाल बिल लाने वाले हैं।
आप जनलोकपाल बिल कैसे लाएंगे? कैसे आप इस देश को आगे बढ़ाएंगे? आपके पास 4 सीटें हैं। 4 सीटें में आपको चाय नहीं मिलेगी पार्लियामेंट में। आप जनलोग का गुल्लाएंगे। आप मुझे बताइए, अच्छा ये इलेक्शन तो गया, 5 साल बाद आप क्या करना चाहते हैं? आप क्या करेंगे ऐसा कि कुछ नया हो जाए?
हमने सोचा नहीं, अभी तो फिलहाल कुछ धरने प्लान किए हैं, उन धरनों के बाद बताएंगे कि क्या करेंगे।
ये है हमारे देश के नेता, सिर्फ धरनों के ऊपर चलते हैं। धरना ना हो गया, स्टेज परफॉर्मेंसेस हो गए। बधाई हो आपको, आप अगली बार 4 भी नहीं जीतेंगे। Ladies and gentlemen, Arvind Kejriwal. And a special performance for Arvind Kejriwal for all he has done for the nation. Let's go!
Prasanna Joglekar as Bismil and Arvind Kejriwal. Abhishek Sharan as Azad and Rahul Gandhi. And Harish as Karan Johar. Thanks all.
विनीत का स्पीच करे अभी कि ट्रिविया करे? स्पीच कर दे, हाँ कर दो।
Let's do the trivia again.
थोड़ा करीब पकड़ना उसको।
So guys, we're back. And
You pause, huh? Sameer Gupta.
Sameer.
काफी टाइम हो गया। हाँ, उनका बड़ा हाँ बहुत अच्छा रहा, बहुत अच्छा।
अभिजीत को कैसे पता? Abhijit, it's really strange you know the answer. It's really strange. ठीक है चले ले करो
You. Dr. Mane, yes.
Hi. The question for you is the famous freedom fighting trio Lal Bal Pal. Can you name them all?
मतलब पता था है पर मैं नहीं बता पाता
मेरे को दिखे ना सारे क्वेश्चन पहले पहले तो बट मैं सारे के आंसर
करण को पकड़ेगा
निकल दे थोड़ी देर जाओ उठाओ कितने हुए? दो हुए कि तीन हुए? दो हुए कि तीन हुए? एक मिनट सुनो मेरी बात अभी दो क्वेश्चन हुए कि तीन क्वेश्चन हुए? हुए थे?
बाकी और एक क्वेश्चन पूछो ओके
You. Okay. So the question for you is, who was the last viceroy of India?
Come on, it's easy.
इसको सब कैसे होता है
Okay. So this is kind of an open question. Who started the Indian National Army?
Everybody got a gift. Another question.
Okay, they'll run off first.
25 they have, no?
I don't know.
They have 25.
Oh, do they?
कल बोलियो settle. We have a lot of questions.
Oh, am I supposed to play the music?
Heyman.
A difficult question for him.
Yes, difficult.
Difficult for him.
Who is known as the Nightingale of India?
Come on, dude.
Come on.
Don't drop. Please do not drop.
That's okay.
So we won't bother you anymore.
No, you will again. I thought you had like 25 questions.
इसको बोल 3 गिफ्ट के क्वेश्चन तैयार करें बोल पहले भी बोल दे बाद में विनीत के स्पीच के टाइम पे.
Okay,
Right.
so let's move on. Next is Vineet. He is going to talk about the relevance of Independence Day to the youth today.
Can you hear my voice properly without using this? So, hello friends, countrymen and well-wishers. I remember when IGSA approached me this Monday evening asking if I could give a speech on the occasion of Independence Day. I was very skeptical of taking on this task in the start, because every year on this day, there is a speech delivered by some Indian on a stage lauding the struggle of our forefathers. Tales are retold of brave men leading the masses to liberation. Very often, it is a tale of a Mahatma Gandhi, a Subhash Chandra Bose, or Bhagat Singh performing deeds which we today find impossible to perform, making us wonder about the greatness of their souls. In fact, it was just 6 months back that I myself paid my respects to the virtuous achievements of the great Swami Vivekananda in teaching us to be proud as an Indian. But these speeches lose their influence and their relevance when they are repeated just to reiterate the reason for my presence on this stage. And this holy day becomes irrelevant, just another day to announce that we are independent, and never know what it really means to be independent. Today I decided to spend a few moments to send a message, or perhaps just inquire as to what this day should mean to me, to you, and to every independent Indian. What does it mean to be independent, to be free? What is the relevance of the 15th of August in our lives? Well, factually speaking, 67 years ago on this very day, 500 small states overcame an oppression of more than a century old, to stand together for an idea never before conceived in Indian history, an idea of a nation united in all its diversity. Many generations have passed since the birth of our beloved motherland. And today, as we look up at a flag symbolizing all that was gained and all that was lost, shall we ask ourselves if we have done justice to a freedom that was gifted to us by a generation we no longer connect with? Often I have noticed that the only time we talk about the terms independence, freedom, and patriotism is during some inconsequential discussion about which freedom fighter was greater. Was it Mahatma Gandhi, or Bose, or Azad, or Bhagat Singh? Were their actions right or wrong? And as soon as we have had our fill justifying our opinions over a few bottles of beer, we move on to discuss the latest movie or talk show that was released. George Bernard Shaw once said, "Patriotism is the belief that our country is superior to all others because we are born in it." Of course, love for our country is indeed something wonderful. But is that all patriotism is? What is
Let's have a round of applause. Thank you, guys.
can ask the new guys to come and introduce themselves.
Yeah.
ठीक है छोड़.
Any questions?
Sweets का history.
Okay, so guys, please don't leave. We still have to distribute sweets.
Okay, invite all first years.
All the first year students, please come up. We need to know your.
All the spring admits and the fall admits.
First year. I'm first year.
You're not a new one. Go ahead.
No, I want to sing. I want to do overactions.
Deepika, you are a first year. Come on. Divyang, Aishwarya.
Dr. Mane, introduce yourself.
Yeah, sure. So many. I mean, there are a lot. What's your department? Just say your name and department. Say your name and department.
Say your name and department and where were you from?
That's it. That's what we did. We did a full cut.
All the new admins, I welcome all of you on behalf of the staff. All of us don't know you, so I would like all of you to introduce yourself to the ICSA community here. So just say your name, what part of India you are from, your department, and if you would like to say anything more about you. So let's start with Dr. Mani. Just pass the mic around.
So first of all, happy Independence Day to all. Myself, Dr. Susan Karmane. So I completed my PhD at IISER Kolkata and recently joined as a postdoctoral fellow in the Department of Material Science and Engineering, and I am from Raipur district, Maharashtra, India. Thank you.
Hello, I am Rahul. I arrived in spring. I am studying Masters in Computer Science. I am from Mumbai, and all of you again, happy Independence Day.
Hello everyone. Happy Independence Day. My name is Venkat Harish. I'm from Andhra.
My name is Karan Johar.
Yeah, good Karan Johar style. My name is Venkat Harish. I'm from Andhra, Visakhapatnam, and I'm doing my PhD in MEC.
Hello everyone, I'm Abhishek Shiva. I'm from Udaipur in Rajasthan, and I am in physics department. I'm doing PhD.
Hi, I'm Vicky. I'm from Andhra Pradesh, and I'm in professional science, master's degree biotechnology.
Hi, my name is Divyang. I am from Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Thank you.
The nation wants to know.
I am from Indore, Madhya Pradesh. I am doing my master's in information systems and technology management. Thank you. That's it. Happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Happy Independence Day to everyone. I'm Prasanna Zoglekar. I'm from Hubli in Karnataka, and I'm doing my PhD in biology.
Hello, my name is Pratik Sharma, and I'm from Delhi, and I'm here to pursue my MBA degree, and I have an IT background. Yes, that's it. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Deepika, and I'm currently doing my master's in bioinformatics. I'm from Bangalore. Is there anybody from Bangalore over here? Please tell if there's someone from Bangalore.
Everybody raise your hands.
Clear out Bangalore
do this, right? See, you're...
Bangalore had the first KFC in India.
Thanks for the fried chicken.
My name is Aishwarya. I'm doing my professional science masters in biotechnology program. I joined in the spring. Happy Independence Day. And one thing I'd like to say was we had a lot of fun organizing the skating. Woo! So we're looking forward to a lot of events and participating in them, which was a lot of fun. So yeah, thank you for giving us the opportunity. And I'm too sorry.
I am Rita Chatterjee. I'm from Calcutta. Joining this fall, I am a PhD student in the computer science department. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sandeepan. I'm from Calcutta, and I'm joining this fall as a PhD student in mechanical engineering department. And I did my after I have actually got 6 years of work experience, so I'm coming back to education after 6 years. I completed my bachelor's in 2008. And that is actually same for her as well. We are married, same for her. So we are all same class. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Karthik. I'm from Bangalore. I'm pursuing my master's in computer science.
Hello, I'm Ram. I'm from Chennai. I'm pursuing my master's
No, I don't get
biology.
same name, right? Ram?
Same name.
Hey everyone, I'm Nishant. I'm from Mumbai. I've been pursuing a master's program in political technology. Thank you. Happy Independence
Hi, I'm Anita. I've come here for my PhD in material science and engineering. I'm also from Chennai. And I did my master's in
Yeah,
she does.
perfect. And awesome sambar too.
I want the intro of the kid.
Oh. He's got the perfect timing.
I know, every time he gives a standing ovation and all of that.
Thank you guys so much.
Thank you.
Introducing you.
Sweet, sweet, sweet.
Thank you.